what is meant by ecosystem services. Ecosystem services. The term ecosystem services is used to describe all the benefits that humans are deriving from the various ecosystems. So ecosystems, aquatic or terrestrial, natural ecosystems have been providing a variety of services to human beings, and all these services are coming to human beings free of cost. Free of cost. So, as the most recent organisms to have evolved on Earth, and as the most responsible organisms on planet Earth, because we are capable of speaking, we are capable of thinking and all that, we should realize that we are getting these services free of cost, and hence we should not spoil the ecosystems. The ecosystem services are considered under 4 categories. 4 categories. 1. Supporting services. Supporting services. We have seen that the green plants producers are responsible for all the food production that is taking place in the ecosystem. So productivity, primary productivity as well as secondary productivity is an important supporting service. We have also seen how all living organisms are obtaining nutrients from the ecosystem, and how many of them are returning these nutrients to the ecosystem in various biogeochemical cycles. So nutrient recycling is another important supporting service. Second kind of ecosystem services are called provisioning services. Provisioning services. The various utility products that we get from the ecosystem. Utility products. It may be food, it may be fiber, it may be food for domestic animals, fodder, it may be timber for making our furnitures, it may be medicines from the herbs, medicinal plants. It may be coloring dyes. So variety of products we obtain from various components of the ecosystem. These utility products represent the provisioning services. The third category of services are called regulatory or regulating services. Regulating services. The contribution of ecosystem in climate control, disease control, filtration of water, in the water cycle, filtration of water, natural processes that are involved in waste treatment, such kind of services that we are getting from the ecosystem are called regulating services. And finally, we have the cultural services. Cultural services, services that we are getting in terms of aesthetic value, the inspiration that we get from nature for all our literature, the pleasure that we derive when we people go to places of ecological importance, ecotourism, then expeditions to nature, the concept of sacred species, plants and animals that we revere for various reasons. So these come under the cultural services. So ecosystems are offering us these four kinds of services. It is estimated that every year the benefits that we are getting, the services that we are getting, of course they are invaluable. Suppose we estimate the value of all these services, it is said that it runs to about 40 trillion US dollars worth of services. Every year from the ecosystems we are deriving services worth approximately 40 trillion US dollars. We must remember that we are getting them freely and that we need not pay back to the ecosystems, but we can continue to get this only if we save our ecosystems. So we should keep in mind that we should not destroy the environment, we should not disturb the ecosystems, so that we continue to get these services from the ecosystem.